10 extension assistants from the Ministry of Agriculture and Lands participated in a special session organized collaboratively by the Grenada Food and Nutrition Council and the Climate Smart Rural Enterprise Development Project SAEP as part of the COVID-19 Backyard Gardening Initiative. The training, which was held at the Produce Chemist Lab at Tantine, forms part of the knowledge-sharing process on the benefits and utilization of selected crops in the preparation and consumption of healthy meals. The extension assistants will be able to use the information as they provide technical and other support to the beneficiaries of the program.
We are approaching the implementation of the Backyard Initiative with a kind of holistic view, meaning that we believe that we cannot provide that level of support and achieve the objective, which is more or less proper nutrition, safe and healthy nutrition at the household level, without the individual beneficiaries knowing exactly what are some of the nutritional content of the materials in terms of plants that will be provided to them for the backyard gardening. So we thought it very prudent that we provide you with those kind of information, basic information, that will assist in you providing that kind of support to the beneficiaries under the program.
That's Mr. Gabriel Clark, agronomist and unit coordinator at SAEP. The COVID-19 Backyard Gardening Initiative will support 500 vulnerable households along with support for geriatric homes in order to promote healthy eating and access to food. The training was facilitated by Ms. Gardina Savory, community nutritionist at the Grenada Food and Nutrition Council.
I was able to cover our food groups, our nutrients, some of the foods and the nutrients and the food groups that they contain, and just give some general information as it pertains to that. When you know what you're eating and you're cognizant of the fact that the foods that we have in Grenada are rich in nutrients, they're healthy for individuals or public, then I think it's going to encourage you to plant more. And of course, if you plant more, you are secure, you have food. So I think that would definitely help with food security.
The beneficiaries will be able to incorporate the knowledge on selected crops into food preparation, which would significantly contribute to maintaining a balanced diet at the household level. Two of the extension assistants that participated, Brenda Phillip and Natasha Howard, explained how they were able to benefit from the training.
My biggest take home from this session is the fact that we need to encourage people to eat healthy, choose from the different food groups and what they can get from the different food groups. Because, like for example, today we did staples, legumes, and I, for one, learned something about legumes, which I didn't know that they also contain carbohydrates. So it's important to know what your food content is when you're creating your meals. I am currently assigned to do the home gardening, the backyard gardening with the ministry and SAEP. So I will definitely be encouraging persons out there who will be planting those food crops, how they can incorporate it into their diet and what will be the benefits.
It will be very important for me to pass on that information. So also encouraging these people to plant those things in their backyard, they will also be able to afford to eat their own meal at a balanced proportion. So this is very important for helping the nation to be able to eat healthy and to develop healthy and to perform healthy in all ways of activities.
A total of 22 extension assistants, 10 from the Ministry of Agriculture and 12 from SAEP, will be providing technical and other support to beneficiaries of the Backyard Gardening Initiative. The training for the SAEP extension assistants was held on Wednesday, 12th August, and the extension assistants from the ministry were trained on Thursday, 13th August. The Backyard Gardening Initiative aims to promote healthy, nutritious, locally grown and safe foods for vulnerable persons in Grenada. It is one of the initiatives by the ministry as part of the National Food Security Strategy, or the COVID-19 mitigation and response. For the Ministry of Agriculture, I am Mina Booker.